So the other one I might have pulled down. I don't know if you can still see it.
Maybe if I can remove this vent, I can see in there, but otherwise I can't see shit.
You can't see nothing? Okay. Never mind. I'm just pulling it out then. All right, so we got one string down here, right? All right, so down here, just need to clean up the wire. And we can use that string, so from now on, every time we pull something through, we'll tie another piece of string on from that bucket, right?
Okay.
So every time we use the string, we replace the string.
I'm not finding the wire inside of this one.
No, it's just pull everything out towards you. I got everything out down here. We just have a string down here now. All right?
Okay, so I can pull up?
Yep. I'll tie this to something. Tying this to this little pressure bar. So it doesn't accidentally get pulled out. So all I'm trying to do is just make sure it's anchored to something on this end. Alright, so it can't be pulled all the way up.
Probably.
So we'll check that. All you gotta do is make sure you're plugged into the right ports. So this is for DC, this is for AC. So if you look there, category 2, 600 volt, max 200. So common, and then whatever over here functions.
Okay.
Is that where that goes? So this typically stays there.
Okay.
You might have. So if this is over here, you're testing DC car stuff.
Okay.
Forklifts.
That's it. Okay.
Hit this over here. If it's off, so AC voltage. All right. So now all we do, the big one is the neutral, and the small one is the power. Right? If it's wired.
Yeah.
So it's got 125 volts. So if you want to go downstairs,
So I'll take a picture of this because it's something I gotta do with the light.
so go downstairs, and I'll let you know when that goes off.
Okay.
Sometimes these have a toner on them or whatever, or you
Yeah.
can plug in like a radio if you're doing this by yourself, and when the radio goes.
Oh, I got you. That's.
All right. What? Sorry. No? Yep, that's it. Mark that one. Upstairs, front bath. Reuse these.
Let me take 5 minutes and knock this out.
What?
Let me take 5 minutes and knock this out.
Sounds good. Grab me some wire nuts. You can't be a klutz and do this, man. Klutzes don't last that long.
Yeah. Especially with electricity.
Alright, give me 2 yellow ones. Take it back over. Alright, so now, if you want to find that ladder, what you can do is get this all rolled up, zip tied up into a hoop hanging right there, and then get that one rolled up and hang, zip tied.
Okay.
So I want this hoop nice and neat.
Yeah.